Hi children, take your grammar book, open the book page number 30, okay, topic 4, pronoun, okay, unit 4, topic pronouns. Pronouns means, already you know the pronoun, I, we, he, she, it, we, you, they. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. There are 7 pronouns, okay. He, she, it singular. Next, we, you, they also plural. Meera gave a book to Malini. Okay, Meera gave a book to Malini. Meera and Malini proper noun. Proper noun. Book is the common noun. Okay. இந்த நவுனே ரிப்பீட்டாக வரதுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், ப்ரனவுன் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, இந்த நேமிங் வேர்டெலாம் என்னது, நவுன். ஓகே, இந்த நவுனே ரிப்பீட்டாக வரதுக்கு பதிலாக தான் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், ப்ரனவுன் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். மீரா கேவ் எ புக் டு மாலினி. ஹவு டு சேஞ்ச் திஸ்? சி கேவ் இட் டு மீ. ஓகே, திஸ் ஆல்சோ ப்ரனவுன். ஷீ, இட், மீ, தட் ஆல்சோ ப்ரனவுன். சி கேவ் இட் டு மீ. Here rule. Subject pronoun perform the action and the object pronoun receive the action. நம்மளோட subject pronoun என்ன செய்யுது, ஆக்ஷனை மட்டும்தான் பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது. அதே ஆப்ஜெக்ட் pronoun ஆக்ஷனை ரிசீவ் பண்ணுது. See there, Meera, that is a subject pronoun. Object pronoun she. Rule. Object pronoun, subject pronoun, object pronoun. First person singular I. I is the subject pronoun. Object pronoun me. Second person singular you. Subject pronoun you. Object pronoun same you. Third person singular he, she, it. Object pronoun he means him, she means her, it means same object pronoun it. Next, first person plural. Subject pronoun we, object pronoun us. Second person plural, subject pronoun you, object pronoun you. Third person plural, subject pronoun they, object pronoun them. Okay, take your book. First one, tick the right option. We saw dash. Him or he. We saw him. You put the tick him. Give this book to dash. Her or she. Her. You tick the her. Where or dash. They or them. Where or they. What did dash say? What did she say? Don't hurt. See எங்கே, what did she say? அவ என்ன சொன்னா? She is taller than dash am. She is taller than am. I am. This secret is between you and me. இந்த ரகசியம், secret means இந்த உண்மை உனக்கும் எனக்கும். So you and me. My brother and dash went to the park. My brother and I went to the park. நானும் என்னுடைய தம்பியும். She gave it to me and him. She gave it to me and him. I saw you and dash there. She or her. I saw you and her there. 10th one, let dash go there. Let us go there. Let us go there. Already now I told subject pronoun, object pronoun. Okay. Here the subject pronoun does the action The object pronoun receive the action. Rekha is very happy today. Her dad gave Dash a new bicycle. Rekha is the she. Object pronoun she. Object pronoun her. Her dad gave Dash a new bicycle. அவளுக்கு ஒரு நியூ பைசைக்கிள் வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ her. There are many historical monuments in this city. I want to visit all of Dash. That is a third person plural. Okay. Third person plural means which one ma? Yes. Them. Third person plural them. So here write it them. The children are very hungry. We will give Dash something to eat. Children also plural, third person plural, so same them. Fourth one, this is a difficult sum, so Dash how to do Dash. This is a difficult sum, that is a first person singular. Okay, here see that first person singular. Okay, object pronoun me. So me, how to do it. அதை எப்படி நம்மளால் செய்ய முடியும். ஸோ இட் அதை. ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன், உதய் இஸ் சிக். தேர்ட், த டாக்டர் கேவ் Dash some medicines. Third person singular, so him. Third person singular, so him. He went for a picnic. We took our pet dog with Dash. That is a first person plural. First person plural, so us. Here we, so us. Please go in. The principal wants to talk to Dash. Second person plural singular, same, so you. Underline the right pronoun. Is Karan with it or you? Yes, Karan. Is Karan with you? Yes, he is with I or me. Me. Yes, he is with me. So, this one you take it. I don't want to go alone. Please come with me. நீ என்னுடன் வருவாயா? So, me. Our teacher is so nice. She or her never gets angry with we or us. She never gets angry with us. Kalayan and Prem are talking in class. They or them are not listening. They அவர்கள் வகுப்பை கவனிக்கவில்லை. Tell they them to be quiet. Tell them to be quiet. You take the them. Next, we or us are playing a match. Okay, that is a first person plural. So we are playing a match. Would you like to join with us? நீங்களும் என்னோட சேர்ந்து விளையாட வருவீங்களா? So us. Do you know the answers? Write they or them in your book. Write them in your book. How to tell? Write them in your book. அவைகளை உன்னுடைய புத்தகத்தில் எழுது. Do you know Niraj? Yes, I know him. I know. அவனை எனக்கு தெரியும். So him. Mother is telling the children a story. Mother is telling the children a story. Dash are listening to it or you. They அவர்கள் அதை கவனித்தார்கள். So they, it mean it. They are listening to it. அவர்கள் அதை கவனித்தார்கள். Ninth one, hello, I or me, am Dinesh. pleased to meet me or you. I am only used for I. So I am Dinesh, pleased to meet you. This bag is very heavy. Can you help I or me to carry it or them? Can I help me to carry it? இதை கேரி பண்ண எடுத்து வைக்க நான் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணட்டுமா? ஸோ கேன் யூ ஹெல்ப் மீ டு கேரி இட்? Okay, write neatly in your grammar book, children.